Welcome to one of the most advanced bottling facilities on the planet. Today, we're going inside the home of the world's most iconic beverage.
It begins here, at the logistics bay, where the scale of operation is staggering.
Raw materials arrive around the clock.
Sugar, the fuel of the operation.
Thousands of tons of ingredients are stored in climate-controlled environments. But the most important ingredient is water. Before it touches the syrup, it must be purified. A labyrinth of pipes transports the water to the treatment center. Multi-stage filtration removes every impurity. Using reverse osmosis, the water is stripped down to its molecular base. Sensors monitor the pH and mineral levels in real time. Meanwhile, the refined sugar is prepared for the mixing phase. Precision dosing ensures the exact sweetness profile.
And then, the concentrate, the heart of the secret formula.
Before mixing begins, samples are rigorously tested. The ingredients meet in massive stainless steel blending tanks. Here, the syrup is crafted with absolute precision.
The concentrated syrup is pumped in.
Mixing begins. Sweeteners are added at the precise moment. Powerful pumps keep the flow moving.
Consistency is key.
Every drop must be perfect. Temperature control is vital.
And fickly, the fizz. Carbon dioxide.
Stored at high pressure. The liquid is infused with millions of bubbles. The beverage is now ready for bottling. It travels to the filling hall.
Where speed meets precision.
It starts with these preforms.
They are sorted and aligned. Marching single file. They enter the heating tunnel.
Infrared lamps soften the plastic.
Heated to over 100 degrees.
The blow molder, the heart of bottle creation.
High-pressure air expands them. In a fraction of a second, it becomes a bottle.
perfect form.
Suspended by air. Thousands per minute.
Rinsed and cleaned. Sterile and ready.
Back on their feet. Entering the filling star wheel. The pace increases. Cameras check for defects. All lines lead to the filler. The main event.
Pressurized filling.
Zero foaming is critical.
Filled to the exact millimeter. Locking in the freshness.
A carousel of soda.
Clean break.
The caps arrive. High-speed pickup. Sealed tight. Safety locked. Leaving the filler, the bottles are ice cold. Condensation forms instantly. Gamma-ray sensors check the fill level. Imperfections are rejected instantly.
To label them, we must dry them.
High-velocity air strips the moisture. Marked for freshness. Kilometers of labels are used daily. Micro dots of glue. Applied at 800 bottles per minute. Smoothed to perfection. The classic look is complete. "360-degree camera inspection."
Urging for packaging.
The accumulation buffer.
Friction is the enemy. Human eyes watch over the machines. Unstoppable momentum.
Dividing into packs.
Groups of 6.
The heat tunnel.
Tight and secure.
Locking the shape.
Ready to carry.
Into the trays.
Hot melt adhesive.
Sealed for transport.
Trackable anywhere. Up to the palletizer.
The heavy lifting. Vacuum precision. Layer by layer. Wrapped for stability. Ready to ship. Stored in the Cathedral of Soda.
Dispatch.
Filling the fleet.
Sealed and signed.
On the road.
Delivering happiness. To every corner of the world. This is the Coca-Cola Factory.